In 6.
Good morning. We are officially on the road to Switzerland. We're going to Rhine Falls. We should have stayed home today. Oh, y'all, it took so much for us to get out the house. We are just leaving and it's 11:28, but we're going to have fun. We always do this. Every time we go somewhere, we end up having a great time. So we're just going to spend the day. Rambo's situated. He's good to go. But we are headed to Rhine Falls. So it's just a quick day trip. Rhine Falls is about an hour. What did it say? An hour 45? So we are not far at all. It's supposed to be the largest waterfall in Europe. So I thought that was interesting. So we're not far at all. Enjoy the scenery and just have a nice day outside. It's really nice today. And I feel like this is like one of the last really nice days we're gonna have before the seasons change. So I'm trying to enjoy every bit of it right now. So, and he doesn't feel well, and he was adamant about us still going. So I was like, okay. So hopefully you'll feel better in the sun too, like you said, just getting outside. So we're gonna have fun today. So, but I mean, we probably should have stayed.
I haven't gone too far.
I think you turned around. Arrived. Very nice drive, and I'm so excited. I can't hide it. I'm so excited. We just parked and we're walking down to the falls. That wasn't even 3 minutes. I don't even think that. It just seemed like it was longer, right? It's not far at all. Yeah, okay. So it's not far at all. Yeah. So we're walking down to the entrance. And we're gonna get our day started. So what time is it? We got here, it's 1 o'clock and we're walking down. What time did we get here? Like 12:45, 12:50? It was a very easy drive. Wasn't bad at all. And Rob took the wrong turn, so we made it really good time. Is he coming down this? Oh, I thought he was coming this way. Oh, okay. So let's go. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Are you so excited? It ain't Franks, it's francs.
I think it's Frank. No, I think it's Frank.
Swiss francs? I ain't never heard nobody say that. Swiss francs. It's Swiss francs. I don't know which one's right. He said, I'm doing what?
You finally pull out my money.
You see the fish? Look how big they are. They look healthy.
Am Schluss bleiben Sie hier. Ja? Wir schauen. Mein Name ist Raphael, wir fahren jetzt gemeinsam kurz. Also, kleines Schiff, aber hier die ganzen Leute aus Holland, aus Bayern, vereint in einem Schiff. Wunderbar. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board on behalf of Ernst Mandy. We're heading all the way down to Germany, about 2 kilometers down the river, turn around and come back to see the waterfalls at the end of our journey. Small little boat, but the whole world is united. Colombia, from the Dominican Republic, from Ecuador, from Spain, and from Singapore, right? Colombia y Ecuador. Aber auf mich hört keiner. Und jetzt mal schauen, was es dann wird. Momentan ist noch Schweiz. Von der rechten Seite, die 2 Häuser ganz oben stehen auch in der Schweiz, aber die sind wirklich auf der Grenze. Das heißt, right side standing in Switzerland, but they're really right on the edge. So the people that live in those houses just step outside and are in Germany as the border to Germany is right on. But there's a chance, there's a farm like salmon farm, and the goal is to have it back here in 5 years from now. I doubt it because a month ago we had a heat wave with 28 degrees water temperature. That would have been the death sentence for the salmon, so I was asking for dolphins, but I don't know if they're asking. Así no tenemos más el salmón aquí. Y ahora todas allá a la derecha están en Suiza, pero justo al lado de la frontera. Entonces la gente que vive dentro sale de la casa y might see snow in your life. That's not your big day today. It's not snow. These are saponins, like a natural soap that's released from the algae here in the water, because the waterfall is kind of like a big washing machine. It releases. Left side over here, big bunker down the river, another one further down, there's many more. These are leftovers from the Second World War, from the Swiss army, back then Switzerland, Germany, not so well. Now luckily became best friends forever, unless we play soccer, but otherwise best friends. So we don't have to use these bunkers anymore, hopefully never ever again. Now swimmers use them to jump down for sunbathing, picnic and so on, but luckily not the army. Reason for those bunkers, you will see 50 meters down the river, right hand side, there's a big stone on this stony beach. That's a border stone, right hand side. And that stone means once you pass it, Germany will be on the right side of the river. Left side still Switzerland, and the middle of the Rhine will be border between the two countries. Anyone going to Germany for the very first time ever? Have you guys been to Germany? You've never been? Yes, or you have been or not been? Not been. First time now. So you see this stone over there. So once you pass that stone, your dream is finally coming true. You're going to Germany. You ready? Aquí a la izquierda tenemos un búnker, allá otro más, son de la Segunda Guerra Mundial, de Suiza, y están aquí porque aquí a la derecha tenemos una piedra grande con el S. Es la frontera. Cuando pasamos esta piedra tenemos a la mano a la derecha, a la izquierda Suiza, el centro del río estará como la... One thing, you like Germany? Same or different? Da reinspringen und sich hier schön runtertreiben lassen. Encima, si tiene un poco de tiempo más. Kommen aber im Sommer hier wirklich ganz viele Leute im Wasser, sehr sicher. Viene un poco de viento y seguramente también un poco de agua. Puede ser agua de las cataratas, puede ser una ola que entra. Entonces, si tienen una chaqueta, tal vez quieran ponerla. Si no...
Gäste im Sommer und abends um 4. Also es ist so.
Das ist doch schön.
Look at the watch. Pocket watch. So it's 3:59. We just ate, had a little bit of dessert, and we are on our way back to the car. Rob stopped to use the restroom before we get back on the road. And yeah, it was really nice. We had such a beautiful time. I thoroughly enjoyed today. So I'm all smiles. This was so nice. I definitely recommend this. Just a beautiful day at Rhine Falls. You think you fancy? Oh, we just gonna trust the robots, huh? That's what we doing. Oh, wow, look at you. Oh, look at the cow. All right, y'all. So we are on the road back to Stuttgart, and I have to say that that was probably one of the best day trips thus far. I enjoyed it. I know you like when we went to Austria. You like that day trip. But this one was one of my favorites. That waterfall, just to feel the mist and be that close, it was so beautiful. I'm so grateful for these experiences, and the food was really good. What did you have? Veal?
Veal, yeah, it was veal.
Like with the hash brown?
It's a Swiss hash.
The Swiss hash. It was like it almost looked like it was shaped like an omelet almost, but it was hash brown. It was like a big hash brown. But the food was good. The people were super nice. We just had a really good time. Definitely recommend, if you're in the area, if you can visit, then do so. But absolutely beautiful experience. So we are about to go through is this the border? Or is this the toll? I think we're crossing the border right now, but I don't think we have to actually stop. No, we don't have to stop. So we just crossed over and we are going home. We had a great afternoon. I'm full. Had a great time. No complaints. Enjoy the scenic route home.